look at the high temperatures here across Oregon. Much cooler this weekend. If you're out and about, you know what I'm talking about. 69 was the high temperature here in Eugene, and it wasn't just Eugene that was cool. It was the entire western half of the state. 67 was the high in Corvallis, 69 in Roseburg. The warmest spot west of the Cascades was Medford, and they only got up to 75 yesterday. Head over to Central Oregon. It was low to mid 70s for you. Still nice and warm when you get over to Eastern Oregon. But the coast also on the cool side yesterday. High temperature North Bend just 59 degrees. Now that high that we saw here in Eugene of 69, that is 13 below average for this time of year. Typically we're still in the low 80s. Fall isn't here just yet. We also got some rainfall. The rain that we saw Sunday morning was the most rain that we had seen in 2 months. You have to go all the way back to June 25th to find this much rain. And it really isn't that much, 0.15 of an inch. It fell over a period of about 4 hours Sunday morning. That did affect our deficit, brought it down a little bit, hardly making a dent, though. Still 16 inches below average for this point here in 2013. Roseburg, you almost tripled Eugene, the amount of rain you got, over 4/10 there. 2/10 in North Bend. Corvallis hardly getting any rainfall at all with just 0.02 of an inch. And then over in Central Oregon, thunder showers meant you saw the most rain of anyone here. Over half of an inch for the past 24 hours. Now those thunder showers have come to an end. You still have the cloud cover there across the central part of the state, and we're seeing clouds here in the Willamette Valley and out along the coast as well. We've even seen a little bit of light rain overnight along the central and northern Oregon coast, with more on the way. Another cold front is headed our direction. For us here in the southern Willamette Valley, I don't expect that to affect us much. Temperatures right now in the mid-50s. Winds are still of the southwest, pretty light though. And the clouds that we do have, they're going to begin to break up as we head into the second half of the day. That front is headed our direction, but it's going to take a turn up to the northeast. And so most of those showers will actually end up in western Washington and along the northern and central Oregon coast. As we head into late tonight, could see a few sprinkles here in the southern Willamette Valley. Don't expect much though. Now, once we get through this, we're not really out of the woods. This trough of low pressure is going to stick with us all week long. That means we'll continue to see some slightly cooler air than what we've been used to this month, and we'll see a couple other weak cold fronts try and make their way into the valley. I don't expect any to be successful. That is until this coming weekend. Looks like we do have some decent chances of seeing some rainfall by Sunday. So here in PRECISIONCAST, breaking down the timing, you'll notice the clouds, they do clear out this afternoon for everyone. Even the southern coast should see some nice sunshine this afternoon. Rain continues to head up to the north of us. Again, can't rule out a few sprinkles here or there, but that's the same story as we head into Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, could see just a little bit of light rain, mainly again along the coast. So your highs will be in the mid-60s, a chance for a few isolated showers late tonight. Winds holding from the southwest at 5 to 15. Chance for a few isolated showers Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Again, the best chances, though, will continue to be this coming weekend, and we'll see those highs staying in the mid to upper 60s. The Umpqua Basin, upper 70s and low 80s for you. Mostly sunny by this afternoon, and those temperatures do get back into the mid 80s for the second half of the week. This weekend, though, it's back to the low 80s and upper 70s with the chance of light showers Sunday. The Cascades could see a few isolated thunder showers popping up later this afternoon. Highs will be in the upper 60s. Central Oregon, mid to upper 70s for you. Mostly sunny skies overhead. You'll continue to see your temperatures warm, mid 80s for the second half of the week. And then this weekend, it's back to the mid 70s. And for the valley, mid to upper 70s, mostly sunny skies for us. We get back to the low 80s Tuesday through Thursday. Again, clouds at times, a few isolated showers at times as well. But again, not seeing any substantial rainfall until Sunday.